Hey, what's going on? Strolling with me, Todd.
And Tara.
How y'all doing? Going for a walk, so let's get started. Figured we'd come up here for a little walk after we just had some snow today. Yeah, we got about probably 2 inches of snow or so. A little bit more, a little bit less in some areas. But it's actually pretty warm out. It's actually pretty warm out today. Warmer than what it's been, even though we got snow. See a little bird watching area there. I was gonna walk down that trail, but I think I'll wait to the trail up here. It's good to get out and get into nature. It's been a while. I know he's been dying for it. I don't have my winter jacket on today. I have a light windbreaker on because it's actually pretty warm outside. I just made a video the other day of a abandoned road that was washed away and a small train bridge that's still there. I went down and checked it out. I think it washed away back in the 80s or something like that. It's probably not a very, very good video. It was extremely cold out. I think it was like 24, but the real feel was like in the teens and like low teens, and it was windy outside. The wind would come and go, so but if you want to check that out, go ahead. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that thumbs up. Help the channel grow. Let's go down this way, I think. Is this where that rock's at down here? I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is where the rock's at or not. There's a nice little rock spot. But I want to thank, if you subscribe to the channel, I want to thank you for subscribing, and really appreciate it. And if you haven't, we'll go ahead and subscribe. I think it's over there. I think it's over that way, I believe. We can... Let me get back with you here in a minute. Alright, I think we're backtracking now. I know it's somewhere down through here, but the snow is throwing me off because I can't see where some of the small trails are at. So I believe if that's it or if this is it, somewhere through here there's a trail. I'm going to go this way. I'm going to follow Watch your step there. That's a dip right there. I just stepped down in that dip or hole or whatever it is. Come on, Slim. We'll figure it out. Maybe this ain't it. I don't know. Anyways. I don't think that's it either. There there's a trail off. Yeah, that's not it there. That's not what I want. Okay. Oh wait, that might be it. I don't know. Okay, this is not what I wanted, but... Oh no, wait a minute. I believe it is what I wanted. I'm on the other side. The snow changes everything. Yeah, we're at the right spot. It's been a while. Remember we come in at the bird hut thing there? So, alright, hold on, Slim. Let me help you down here. Good?
Yeah.
Right. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, because we usually go down and we'll come up this path here. We'll go over to the bird hut, come around, come up. I was thinking about a different trail that we usually go through. But, watch that rock there. We'll hold him a second. Here we go. Let's check this out. This is pretty cool. I was over up top there. I was looking for this little tunnel spot here. So, we've been here before. This is one of my favorite spots to walk through, like in the spring and summer and stuff. This is just really fascinating to me. They're up. They're up there waiting. But yeah, this is so cool. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna walk too far today. She's not feeling too good, so I figure we get out and do a little bit of walking and stuff. That's a nice picture there with the sun coming through. All right, here we go. Yeah, we were over here walking around. Over there's our footprints here. So that's where we were at. Very peaceful. Now we'll get back on the main trail and do a little bit more walking. Good? Alright. Alright, let's get a walk on the main trail here. Watch your footing here with these rocks. And here we are. Did you see her coming down the hill? She looked like a baby bird. Her arms were going everywhere. Got some cool rocks over here. Everything looks different with the snow. Couldn't remember where we were out there. You ready, Slim? Slim's not his real name, but that's what I call him. I believe he likes it. Hold on. Yeah, there's all sorts of rocks and... Come from that. Come on. I'm going to walk over here quick and take a look at this. You see, there's all sorts of rocks and other stuff through here that you usually don't see when the forest is all green. Okay. Now we're back up here by the little bird shack here. If I don't fall over him, that would make an interesting video. Yeah, you can sort of sit here and watch the birds. Yeah, the snow definitely makes a difference in finding where you want to go. But it's all good. We found the spot. I knew it was over here somewhere. I just forgot going down by the bird thing. It's been a little while. The last time we were up here, everything was all green and stuff. You can definitely tell that this area here, by looking at the ground, gets a lot of visitors. Now there's sometimes we'll come up here and we won't see anybody all day long, and we'll spend a good couple hours up here and we won't see one single person. All right, we're going to go down this Purple Blaze trail a little bit, not too far, but there's some woodpecker holes. It's a nice big dead tree. we'll just head down this way a little bit and see what we see. Lots of fallen trees. As soon as we can, I gotta be careful with him because I would like to do some small town history stuff or just go explore some small towns. But I want to make sure that there's not a lot of salt and stuff like that on the ground so it don't hurt his paws. So that's why I'm sort of holding off. The wintertime sort of puts a burden on some stuff for us. But I do enjoy including him in my videos as much as I can. Now the train track video and the abandoned road video that I did the other day, he was at the groomer, so there's some stuff I won't do with him, but 90% of the videos I will. You good?
Yeah.
Don't do a face plant I missed, Ed. Got a stick in the camera. The only bad part about the snow, it's really pretty, but you can't see what's under it. And there's a lot of rocks and stuff over this way. And I guess we should have just went down that way and came up this way. That's okay. Like I said, when there's snow on the ground, it's hard to remember stuff because everything's snow covered. Well, we'll go back this way again, and that's it. Somebody's in a hurry again. Yeah, it's been a while since we were at this spot. I didn't realize that this went up and around. Go over this way here. Hold on. Let's go explore a little bit right around here. Look, he wants to climb. I'm not. He wants me to climb on rocks in the snow. Probably not the smartest idea, but here we are. Up on the rocks. There he is. Okay, let's get back down. Yeah. Hold on now. I think that might do it for the day. We're just going to take a nice short walk. There she goes again, trying to fly like a baby bird. You okay?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we will catch you in the next one. Have a great day. Treat yourself and others with kindness.